Hello everyone, my name is Horifa and I am in the first year of the University of Birmingham. In this tutorial we will start making a program that will create our deep learning model. So this program will directly take our images saved in the computer and then create a neural network model with that. If you haven't seen my first video yet where I show the whole project so you can understand what I am talking about, go down to the description, don't hesitate to watch it before continuing this video. If you are ready, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and let's get started. So here we are now in a different notebook from last time. Actually, in this video, I'm only going to show you how to get the images and how to put in an array with the category associated. It might confuse you at the beginning, but don't worry, we are going through this. So here I go to import 4 libraries. In fact, we will need more than that, but I just imported them so we can start. First of all, I have import numpy as np. I also got OS, that's something we can deal inside our computer. And of course, we have CV2 because we are reading the images from the computer. And we have import matplotlib pyplot as plt. That will be used for displaying our images in the console. Actually, I don't need that because I'm not displaying now, but maybe after in the future we might want to do that. So let's do the following parts. So here I have a data dir, which is the images path, and I have also the categories. So the categories are in fact the output of an image. When you see an image, it must belong to 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, etc. until 9. And here you have the image size equals to 100. Actually, it's for resizing an image, but I'm not going to do that because, as I told you in the last video, when we try to make an image bigger, it might get a little bit blurry, so it won't be binary anymore. So for now, we will just leave this as a comment. Then we have an array called training data. Actually, I got 2 of them, so I'm deleting one of them. Training that data. So now we will see what is the definition. So now we are going to go through this function or definition if you prefer. So def create training data for category in categories. So actually it's do all the numbers 0 to 9. We have the path. It's just os path os.path.join datadir, which is the computer path, and the category, so a value that is 0 to 9. So actually what it does here is just match the number of the folder and the data path, img, that you can see here. So if the category is at 0, it will be c : /image / and 0. So the way it works like that. And I also have the class numerical. Actually, it's class num. I just made it shorter. It's equal to categories index category, so the number of the value category here. We also have the for loop. So the for loop is actually doing so it's actually taking an image in every number. So if we, for example, we have 10 images in the 0 folder, so we'll repeat this loop for 10 times. So actually it's the number of the image in the folder category. So here I have used try and except block exception, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Normally it won't crash if you are careful. Then I have image array, which is in fact the image, and then CV2 imRead os path join path image, so that is in fact getting the image into the path, and then turn it into grayscale. Well, actually, I don't think we need to turn into a grayscale because it's already binary, and we'll try to remove that if we got some time. Then we have the training data append, so that means this element. This element will be added into the training data. So what are we adding into training data? So the way it works like that, the training data has 2 elements, the image and the category. So normally if our program works very well, if the first element is an image displaying a 3, the class numerical should be a 3. and then we just create training data. So in fact, we are just calling this definition, and then we are here printing the length of the training data, because it is good to know what is the actual size of the training data. So you can control your number, you can see if it's too big, if it's too small, etc. So now let's run this. I'm running the package cell, and I'm running. Okay, so it has already done that actually, because as you can remember, we only have one image per category. So so in fact, this loop only runs one time per category. As we have one image per category, and we have 10 categories, so we got 10 images in total. So yes, the actual length of the training data is 10. That was it all for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Next time we can carry on writing our code, because now we have the training data list as so in the video. We have the image and the category. So next time we can carry on, because the array is not enough. We need to create a model with that. Give me a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications so you don't miss the next videos. And see you in the next video then.